Alright guys, so I've been playing with Blazors and .NET Core for a little bit now, and I've got this e-commerce shopping cart site built out with some core functionality. I just wanted to go ahead and capture a video sharing some of that progress. And again, the objectives of this entire project was just to sharpen skills, get better with C#, .NET, and play with quite a bit of other services. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Blazor, C# and the .NET Core framework. So let's go ahead and jump over to the site and I'll show you what I've got. So here we can see we jump to the landing page. We can go to the cart. This cart isn't built out yet, but you can see the core functionality here. We get a dynamic cart, being able to add, remove objects. So that's awesome. But that's not what I wanted to show you today. What I'm going to show you is kind of the filtering and sorting functions that I built out on this site. So here we just went to the shop. What that did was went ahead and pulled some inventory down from a distant database somewhere, and we can see here that we've got some pre-canned filters that we're able to select from. So if I'm looking for tools between $0 and $50, I can go ahead and select $0 and $50. We can see the applied filters over here. We can reset those filters, and then we also have the ability to combine these. So I want all the DeWalt 0 to 50. We can see here we also have some sort tools. So what I can then do is say, hey, I've got all the DeWalt 0 to 50, but show me the ones in stock. So here, with the ones in stock, I can say sort from high to low, or I'm sorry, yeah, low to high, or high to low. We can back out if we didn't see anything we like. And what if I just want to see all the drills? Okay, all the drills between 50 and 100 in stock, low to high, and you get the point. So I still have to implement the shopping cart, and then once we get that figured out, we then got to take that cart, package it up, and ship it off to some provider who's going to process that for payment. So we're not going to handle that ourselves. We'll just handle building out that request again to ship off to some type of payment provider.